Have you ever needed to find the square root of a number in Excel? The good news is that Excel makes it very easy. In this video, I will show you two simple ways to calculate square roots in Excel. We start with SQRT function, and then I will show you an alternative method using a formula. So let's get started. First, take a look at this table. Let's imagine these numbers represent the area of a square garden measured in square meters. Our goal is to find the length of one side of each garden. To do that, we need to calculate the square root of each value. Select the cell B2, type an equal sign, then type SQRT. Open parentheses, click on cell A2, and close parentheses. Press enter, and Excel returns 5. Now, drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the remaining rows. Excel automatically calculates all the results. Now, let's calculate the same results using a different method. Select cell C2, type an equal sign, click cell A2, type the caret symbol. The caret symbol is used for powers in Excel. Now, type an open parenthesis, type 1 divided by 2, then close parentheses and press enter. You get the same result. Let's understand why. When you raise a number to the power of 1/2, we are calculating its square root. So this formula gives exactly the same answer as the SQRT function. Now, copy the formula down to the remaining cells. You see that all the results match the ones from the first method. Both methods work perfectly. However, I usually recommend the SQRT function because it's easier to read and immediately tells anyone looking at the worksheet what the formula is doing. The Exponent method is used when you are already working with the power calculation and want to keep everything in a similar format. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.